Do you want to use the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 for school or work but can't afford it? Without question, the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is a fantastic device. But if you're short on cash, don't worry. Other excellent devices can serve as an alternative for this machine, and they're also affordable. So stick around because, in today's video, we will talk about 5 affordable yet powerful alternatives to Microsoft Surface Pro 8. Let's start with a description of the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 so you can compare it to the other options we'll present. The Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is the newest in the corporation's series of 2-in-1 Surface Pro tablets, with prices starting at $859.99. It was released on September 22, 2021. An 11th generation Intel processor, a 13-inch 120Hz display, 2 Thunderbolt 4 connectors, and a detachable SSD are all added in this version. Importantly, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11. The Surface Pro 8's tiny size and featherweight design make it suitable for usage at home. It includes a 10-megapixel camera on the back and a 5-megapixel camera on the front. The Surface Pro 8 can function as both a laptop and a tablet. The Pro 8's various viewing angles and robust design make it comfortable to use in your lab after it's open. Given that this appears to be an intriguing item, what are the 5 options we've chosen for you? Keep an eye out for what's coming up next. Number 5. Lenovo 360. Starting at $200, according to Laptop Mag, the Lenovo Miix 320 offers a longer battery life, as well as excellent performance, a bright display, and decent acoustics. Lenovo is targeting its gadget toward a younger demographic that doesn't have enough time to relax and combines many professions and side hustles. It fits easily into a backpack and blends in with a stack of commercial paperbacks. Consider this: if you're a student carrying many books, you don't need to add any additional weight to your load. The Lenovo 320 will not add to the weight you have to carry to school every day. It is the best laptop for students. Given its affordability, it's impossible to find fault with the Lenovo 320's performance. In other words, it does a great deal based on its pricing. When used regularly, the Miix 320 has shown to be a superb word processor and web browser. Because this machine doesn't need fans to cool itself, it's quite unobtrusive, and the battery lasts a long time. Imagine around 6 or 7 hours on a single charge. You may be able to get 8 hours out of it. The Lenovo 320 is a good choice if you need something to perform a range of easy jobs, such as writing a fast report, scribbling down an idea when you're out, or viewing a movie in tablet mode. The sound is also quite good, with the added benefit of the speaker being in front of the device and the Dolby sound impact. Number 4. Asus VivoBook Flip 14. Asus is recognized for producing high-performance gaming laptops. They have long dominated the gaming market, since no other manufacturer has a dedicated gaming product line. Asus appears to be targeting the cheap market with the debut of the VivoBook Flip laptop. The VivoBook Flip 14 isn't a premier laptop, but it's a quality feel nonetheless. Starting at $599, this 14-inch notebook is perfect for students since it is compact and fits neatly into a bag. Asus managed to cram a variety of ports in the compact casing, notwithstanding its modest size. A Thunderbolt 4 USB-C connector with charging capabilities, a USB-A 3.2 port, a headphone jack, a micro SD card reader, and an HDMI port are all located. This gadget will easily distinguish various colors for folks who like photo editing. The keyboard is additionally lighted with white LEDs and provides enough feedback. It has a fingerprint scanner in the upper right corner, which provides a safe way to log into Windows. In terms of battery life, you'll get 511 minutes of normal browsing and 423 minutes of video streaming. The Asus VivoBook Flip has an appealing appearance. Besides the lid, the laptop's whole body is composed of plastic. Despite this, the laptop does not appear to be inferior or uninteresting. You know what they say, don't judge a book by its cover, as looks can be deceiving. The laptop's entire weight is under 1.50 kilograms due to its plastic construction. Before we move on to number 3, kindly subscribe to this channel. You motivate us to continue to provide you with content like this. Number 3. Apple iPad Pro 12.9, 2018. If you're an Apple lover, the iPad Pro 12.9 is an excellent alternative to the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 if you're searching for a cheaper Apple device. The 2018 iPad Pro 12.9, which starts at $590, is one of Apple's greatest tablets yet. It's the most beautiful, quickest, and has the finest display. It's also the best at selfie photos. The iPad Pro 12.9 is speedy, but that's more of a given than a surprise. The 120Hz display is what makes gaming on the iPad so appealing. They are loud, but the sound quality is exceptional. It's only after you hear it that you'll believe it. Then there's the battery life. The iPad Pro's screen-on times are well over 11 hours, which should be more than adequate for any long-haul travel. Quite impressive. But is there any device whose battery life exceeds this? We will let you know shortly. Number 2. The Lenovo Flex 611. The Lenovo Flex 611-inch is a well-designed, affordable laptop that can be used as both a laptop and a tablet. In light of its hardware limitations, it performs admirably. For $329.99, you get a reasonably robust Intel Celeron processor, a modest 64 GB of eMMC storage, and a battery life of over 9 hours, all housed in a stylish shell. Connectivity to specific other devices is not an issue because the Lenovo Flex 611-inch comes with a variety of connector choices for connecting a variety of devices. To begin, there is a USB Type-C connector, which is often seen on high-end gadgets. A USB 3.0 port, USB 2.0 port, SD card reader, and HDMI port are also included for connecting devices according to your needs. Number 1. The Miix 630. This machine is essentially an inexpensive phone in a luxury package, complete with 4G and a large battery to enhance the bargain. It might be an excellent choice for people looking for a portable 2-in-1 laptop. The touch display has a resolution of 1920 by 1280 pixels and is sharp and bright, with a paramount brightness of roughly 315 candelas per square meter. Furthermore, the Miix's battery life is impressive, lasting over 17 hours. Endless video is one of the most power-hungry activities you'll do with it, and the Miix excels in this regard. It's the type of device that extends so long that you can fail to notice to charge it, particularly if you just use it for a few meetings a day. Thank you for staying with us in today's video on affordable yet powerful alternatives to Microsoft Surface Pro 8. Please leave us a comment if you enjoyed this video. Keep an eye out for our next video. Take care.